Hi, this is Lee Garrett and welcome to another weekly tip video. Today I'm going to look at a new utility application that will help you with your window management. It's called Lasso, and whilst there are other window management tools out there such as Magnet, Rectangle and the one that I currently use, which is Moom, I do feel drawn to Lasso because of how easy it is to invoke and to most importantly create custom window sizes and access them quickly and easily. So let's take a look at it. First of all, where can we get it from and how much does it cost? Well, Lasso is not available on the Mac App Store. It does need to be purchased directly from the developer's site here. Now, there are a couple of buttons here that you can click to download and get a free 7-day trial, which I will be using for this video, as I'm just getting ready to push the button and buy a license. Now, how much is it? Well, if I click on pricing, we can see here there are two license types, single and personal, at 10 and 16 euros respectively. And they're almost the same. Both of them unlock all the features. It's a lifetime license for each, and they both include that free 7-day trial period. However, the single license is for one machine and the personal one is for 3. So if after the trial you decide you'd like to continue using Lasso, you know which one to go for. Okay, I'm going to close that. And I've already downloaded and installed Lasso. I just haven't run it yet because I'm assuming that I'm going to need to grant some permissions to Lasso to allow it to do its thing. And usually I do all of that before I start recording. So I thought it wouldn't hurt just this once to run through that process with you, just as a refresher. So I'll invoke my launcher, type Lasso and press return. And sure enough, we do need to authorize Lasso to move and resize the app windows. And the instructions are pretty clear here on the screen for what you need to do. But we'll go through it anyway. I'll click on Grant Access. And on this pop-up, I'll click on Open System Settings, where we're taken to the exact place we need to be. There's no clicking to navigate here. We're in Accessibility, and over here on the right, we just need to flick the toggle for Lasso to give it permission. I'll type in my password here and press Return. And after a short while, our Lasso welcome screen appears, a lovely cosmic look there. And we can skip this whole intro piece if we like by clicking here. But I'm going to click Continue to see what we have. And I'll just close this window behind. Okay, so here we have just a small piece of customization available to us. We'll see that when it comes to setting our window sizes, we'll use a grid. And we can set the number of columns and rows in that grid here. But don't worry, I'm sure we can change it in preferences later. Then also here we have a global shortcut to start the app, which is Shift, Command and Space. Now that shortcut does ring a bell to me. I'm sure it's used somewhere else, but we'll see that as we move forward. And there are some tutorials for some of the key features here. And if you're happy, click Done.
That's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple-related tutorials from Screencasts Online. Screencasts Online is your premium source of Apple-related video tutorials. All of our members get access to brand new, up-to-date tutorials each week, as well as unlimited access to our entire video archive full of Mac and iOS-related tutorials. You can stream and download all of our videos on your Mac, iPad and iPhone, and even your Apple TV using the members-only Screencasts Online Apple TV app. Membership also includes a complimentary subscription to the digital Screencasts Online monthly magazine, published each month and packed with videos, articles, reviews, as well as hints and tips covering all aspects of the Mac, iPad, iPhone, and all of the other fantastic Apple products. So, if you're ready to start getting the most out of your Apple devices, visit screencastsonline.com today and become a Screencasts Online member.